Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, run away train.
People have their own beliefs as it relates to this big C outbreak. Some people feel like it's real, some people afraid of it, while others not even concerned with it anymore. Some people feel like it is all a planned thing for just whatever reason. Well, right now, a whole lot of people not even check for that anymore because them feel like say, yo, yeah, hear me, it's time for me just continue my life. Even though the news still a broadcast it, even though some governments still announce that them still get new cases every now and then, some people just decide say, yeah, hear me, it's life as usual and we just continue. Alright. Now, one thing we noticed the other day, you remember this big whole riot thing in the US, right? And a whole group of people come together and all of that, and a whole lot of persons did start to wonder, wait there, in the midst of this whole big gathering, I wonder how come nobody now get infected, wonder how come we not hear of nobody take sick in this whole riot thing where people are protesting and come together, right? That conversation was buzzing, right? And then people even stopped paying attention to the news so much because of the whole rioting. That shift the focus on the whole big C, right? And it kind of start fade away a little bit, right? And then all of a sudden it come back in the limelight. Well, Tony MATTERHORN have a conversation about this right now, and Tony MATTERHORN share theme views as to why I'm thinking about this. Make we go check it out. But if this is your first time here and you're not subscribed yet, try hitting that subscribe button and turn on all notifications. So once you upload a video, you will get notified. Make we go listen to MATTERHORN.
What do you see? People in New York are run up and down. No mask when the looting and the sun. Remember, Wuhan, China, the disease broke out. All of a sudden, them not have the disease nowhere. At Wuhan, but the disease there somewhere else. Are you dumb? Are you dumb? It can't just gone from that place, but yet still everywhere. Oh, it's spiking up everywhere else. You notice it now spike up which part it? Ground zero. The last time you checked, ground zero got always have the something. A common sense. But you, one fool make many. Do you understand? One fool make many, and then you have other people out there now where I got try, when anybody I try educate anybody, you have other dunce people out there where I got tell you say, talk. Me not listen to the Fox, me not listen to the Wolf, me not listen to the CNN, me not listen to none of them. Me not listen to none of them. The whole of them is one network. They are the way our government can mastermind you. The media, that's the way. One, if you have TVJRC, CVM, not the same shit. Me not listen to news, and that's it. I'm gonna show you. Say, at the TV, them use and manipulate with. What day when quarantine start? Every day we sit down and we watch CNN and Fox and all them something, right? We sat down and watch the news, right? And then we get bored and depressed of the news. So we took social media for it, where we go up on people page and the online parties them did a keep. You understand, Steve? So when the online parties are keep, you notice nobody never watch on CNN and watch the news rating drop. Cause all of the things them where them did put out on the TV, we weren't seeing it because we were busy on Instagram and Facebook. You understand? So we never watch them news, and we that go on good until the liquor protest and the liquor riot them. And the news start show it, and then we start watch back the news. Now that we start watch back the news, as soon as we start watch back the news, you know what them do? Oh, we're getting a spike there. Oh, the thing is spiking up back there. The thing is spike. Them get back with attention again. So them start tell we be mama or not fool no. Me I not eat that like you know. I know everybody can be idiot. Some people smart, some people are idiot. Well, which side you're upon, me can't judge, but if you fool, you fool, and one fool make many. Who not live, remember, me I talk to all the way. All of we went through this, what day? All of we went through this, what day? What day? None of we, nobody upon here, never did I watch the news in the end of March to from the end of March when the corona started. We were watching the news. I watched the news till the news started depressing me every minute. Oh, 10 more cases, 40 more cases, 100 more cases. So we get tired in cases. Because we never like corona beer much less. Heineken and Guinness we think there. And Muscat and, you know. So we did stop watching news because it was depressing. And while we stop watching news, what people are watch? Some girl asking out on Instagram. Some man give some girl cash up and Matterhorn them a play some music and the selector them a play music. Sound clashes are going, party are going, and we stop watching the news. The month of April, can me analyze things, you know. In order to execute, you have to analyze. Every day from April to May, we were not watching the news. Nobody never be interested in a TV. The girl them, some of the girl them start show up themselves on Instagram, boy, and start twerk. Niggas start acting like they stupid. Be a party, be an online party. Zoom come in and then we start Zoom. Matterhorn with him house of lights and the drum them and everything. Some of the girl them the only fans that show up them front, one bag of something. Nobody never watched the TV. They had to get us to watch back the TV. Because to manipulate you, the TV have to do it. How you can get to millions in one go? The TV. What day? Remember, we can dress back, you know, we're there in June. So go back, we're there in July now. So go back to April and May. Were you watching the TV? No. We weren't watching the TV in April and May. We weren't. Nobody never interested in a freaking TV. We weren't watching the TV. No TV, none at all. None of them couldn't tell me say when I watch a TV. Because first thing the TV was fucking depressing. We don't want to see that. Alright, for sure you how we were on our phones. For sure, and I talk for myself, I talk the truth. But dumb people like Uno don't see the truth until when you're not dead. At the TV, I mess you up. All of a sudden, did you know that me said before it actually happened? When me say, you know them are going to use all of them protests and make it look like, oh, this there's something spike up back. All of a sudden, within 1 week of the protest, oh, the numbers are spike up. You like, you never test that much people within the week. You never did. Lie. Remember, we watch on our phones and we watch on the TV, we see protests all over the place, no? Within a week after the protest them, when the protest them are kind of dead down, you hear them jump up. Oh, the numbers spike over there, so the numbers spike over there, so you clock lie. That's a lie. Because guess what? You didn't test that much people within the week to come give you a number. That's a lie. That's a lie. You never test all of them people that were in a protest 2 weeks ago. Lie. So you couldn't come give me a number. You couldn't come give me a number so quick. Because that much people, oh, I was protesting last week, so I'm going to get myself tested. Move your Nobody went in a protest the week before, never run go in, go say, oh, may I get myself tested. That's a lie. But you know you can use this as a reason to say, oh, the numbers spike up because you guys were out protesting. Did you check that much people? Me not take no vaccination. There's gonna come a time when I'm gonna force you to take the vaccination, and if you don't have something to say you take the vaccination, you're not gonna be able to buy food or wherever. Remember we watch a movie like that. You watch a movie named Escape from New York and all them movies there where you watch the one with Wesley Snipes and Sylvester Stallone. When Sylvester Stallone did Wesley Snipes was a criminal and Sylvester Stallone was the police, where bring him down a couple centuries ago and then freeze them and them. Yeah, the whole of them something there. Me not take the vaccination. Me not gonna take it. Some of a fool are gonna take it. See them don't start getting a little idiot them in Africa. Because only them alone on can. Them start, oh, the vaccination is start testing in Africa. Why you test it over Africa? Why? Because them are the only idiot where them can go to and say, oh, test this. And them are the test dummy of the world. Sorry to say, but it's the truth.
Well, it's officially your time for talk to me right now. Talk to me in the comment section. Let me know what you think about everything that Matterhorn say. Do you agree or do you disagree with the things that Matterhorn say? And you can also share your own views too. What you observe, what you did that think about. What are your thoughts? You understand? Talk to me in the comment section. As long as your comment makes sense, I will definitely respond to it. More to hear from you. Alright? This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and if this is your very first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. So once you upload a video, you will get notified. Until the next video, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.